Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. And today, Terra Classic has been pumping in terms of market cap. Remember, yesterday it was about $1,030,000,000 market cap, and today over 110 million has been pumped into Terra Classic coin. And it simply means wells are pumping in money. I'm happy to see this because this will actually help Terra Classic to really gain a lot. That is about 193% increase in volume in the past 24 hours. It's amazing. Over $151 million have been traded on Terra Classic in the past 24 hours. Now, one important thing to understand about this is that when a coin have that over $1 billion market cap, it gives that coin that edge, that balance. Okay. Now, over between the top 60, top 65 crypto coins are having over $1 billion market cap. Now, Terra Classic need this because remember the 1.2% tax bond will be charged whether you're buying or you're selling, and with that it definitely helps this coin to burn more. Now, although it is Binance that are really burning right now, yes, Binance are the one burning a lot, burning billions of Terra Classic coin. Most of the trading volume on Terra Classic on a daily basis is being traded on Binance. About 47 to 62% of Terra Classic daily volume is being traded on Binance, and that is why we are hoping for more investors, for more rise on Terra Classic market cap, and that will definitely help Terra Classic to really gain a lot because the bonding will definitely increase. Now, I believe the market cap is heading back towards $1.2 billion, and we're hoping before the end of this month, if it be hitting over $1.5 billion to $2 billion, it will definitely help Terra Classic to burn more. But I'm happy to see today about 193% increase in volume. People are really pumping in money. You can see the staking of Terra Classic have also increased, which is amazing, and we're hoping for that to continue so that before the end of the year, definitely Terra Classic is going to be in a better position. It's going to rise. I'm hoping for big wells to keep investing, to keep buying, and also for Terra Classic, like top exchanges, to start burning just like the way Binance has been burning billions of Terra Classic coin. Now, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.